This is the true distance of the North Star, Polaris, above Earth, which is 6,589 miles. Light years don't exist. Only a nautical mile of 6,076 feet and basic trigonometry's angle of elevation is needed. Basic celestial navigation, 1 nautical mile is equal to 6,076.12 feet. Basic trigonometry is angle of elevation. Put the 6,076.12 feet at the bottom of a right angle triangle and use 89.99 degrees. Put Polaris, the North Star, directly above your head. A to B equals 6,076.12 feet. A to C equals 89.99 degrees. B to C equals the tangent of 89.99 degrees, which equals what is written here. It comes out correctly to 6,589 regular miles.